A new report is studying the success of suicide deterrent netting at the Golden Gate Bridge. It finds that since being completed in 2024, there's actually been a dramatic decrease in suicides. ABC 7 News reporter Gloria Rodriguez live now with the details. Gloria?
Yes, there has been signage along the Golden Gate Bridge for years with information about crisis counseling, but advocates say that wasn't enough and that these new numbers are encouraging. The Golden Gate Bridge has a suicide prevention net along the full length of the 1.7-mile span, and it appears to be working. According to the Golden Gate Bridge Highway and Transportation District, there were 8 suicides at the bridge in 2024. That was the first full year with the net and a 73% decline from the annual average of 30 before the net. Last year, there were 4 suicides. That's an 87% decline, and 0 from June through December. The Bridge Rail Foundation advocated for the net.
This is exactly what we were hoping to see. In the field of suicide prevention, we know that restricting access to means is the most effective way that we can reduce suicides.
The total cost of the project was $224 million, funded through a combination of federal, state, and private funds. Santa Rosa resident Thornton McKay is a stand-up comic who survived a suicide attempt off the Golden Gate Bridge. He feels that money should have been used to help people in other ways.
I think that money could have went to mental health. It could have benefited other nonprofits. I think the suicide net was like a Band-Aid on a Band-Aid.
McKay feels people will find other ways to die by suicide. Meredith Sears is a Greater San Francisco Bay Area chapter president of the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention and a psychologist. She agrees that access to mental health care is important, but says reducing access to lethal means can save lives.
There isn't a lot of evidence to suggest that people do tend to substitute. When they have a preferred means of suicide, they don't tend to move on to a different type of means if that means is unavailable to them.
And experts say that suicide is a complex issue and that preventing it takes a multi-pronged approach. Live in San Francisco, Gloria Rodriguez, ABC 7 News.
Gloria, thank you.